not morning. Well, it's morning for me. It is currently, what time is it? 2:30 p.m. Be prepared to see this outfit for the next couple of days. Okay, everything's packed. Got off work this morning, went with Val to get food for Keeks, and then I also went to Lowe's to go get Scotch Guard for my couch. I was gonna order on Amazon because I've been ordering, you know, a lot of stuff on Amazon, just like little knickknacks like shower curtain rings and, you know, things that I need. And I really wanted the Scotch Guard because my couch is beige and it's like a cloud couch dupe, and I do not want to mess it up because I'm a messy childish person, but I love neutrals. Okay, right? So I went and I was gonna get the Scotch Guard off Amazon, but it was like $28-30 for one bottle, and at Lowe's it's like $11 per bottle. So I got 2 of those this morning. I'll show you all that stuff later. You know, this is just like little snippets of the day. But yeah, I'm about to go get gas. I'm about to get Starbucks. I deserve Starbucks. I may even get like a large, like, because I need the energy. Coffee doesn't keep me awake, but it tastes good, and I tricked myself to think that caffeine works because Starbucks is good. I've been doing Dunkin', you know, to save, but today we're doing Starbeats, baby. Listen, yeah, let's go. I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna do what I have to do so I can get some good sleep tonight, because tomorrow is gonna be crazy. I honestly, I don't have the energy to go to like Kroger or anything like inside the store or Publix or whatever, but I need Celsius. I feel like Val may have some here, so I'll ask her about it. Yeah, maybe tomorrow, because after I pick up my keys, I'm also, while they're moving this stuff, because my brother's gonna be here and my little sister's gonna be here, so while they're in the apartment, you know, helping with the move, I'm gonna run to Xfinity and go get my like internet situation, like my equipment for my internet. So I may stop by and get Celsius then, because I want to stay up all night. Like, show you something, the decor. All right, y'all, it's T-minus whatever amount of hours before I move, right? Okay, to go home and finish packing. I got my Bella Boo combo for Starbucks, and now I'm ready to shake things up and finish packing. I am exhausted. Like, y'all probably can see how red my eyes are. I was fighting for my life last night at work, like I always am. Alright, y'all, so this is the furniture I got delivered. Okay, this is my couch, this is my bed. Very exhilarating. Cannot wait to open this stuff for you guys. The movers are here, guys. I'm drinking a Celsius because I need to leave in probably an hour so that I can drive up and go get the keys, because it's going to be a bit of a drive. There's already traffic. So yeah, and I have to stop by Kroger's. Oh, I have so much to do, but I'm really pumped. It's happening. Hey guys, welcome back. Today is September 2nd. I just finished moving in. The movers literally just left. Me and Papa were impressed, okay? Those boys was working, okay? Me and Papa literally, we took a few things, like I had like just like really like my mirrors and stuff that I just wanted to make sure came and didn't break, so I put those in my car, and me and Papa had to like just bring a few knick-knack patty whacks to the car today, and we were sweating and crying, and these men just lifted furniture, okay? Like, when I show you how big the boxes are for my couch, and I got like a modular couch, so it's 4 big pieces, my bed is 2 big boxes, and they really, in no time, like even my dad, like he was snoozing and he woke up like, oh, I'm just here to, you know, make sure everything's okay. By the time he woke up, it was almost done. I was like, worth every penny, babes, worth every penny. So yeah, me and Papa are about to go pick up my Xfinity box for internet. Say hey to the people from Berry.
Hello, people.
So me and Papa are about to head to go get my internet box. Then we're gonna get some food because we're hungry. Then we're gonna wait on Keese and my brother Chris to come, and they're gonna help, like, you know, do stuff. Well, Val's doing Chris's hair, so Keese will probably, me and Papa will probably open the couch, because Val got the same couch as me, and so we know how to open it and set it up. So we're probably gonna do that, and then I'm gonna wait on Keese for the bed, because and he's gonna hang my curtains for me. Pardon me. So yeah, that's what we have going on. Let me show you guys what it's looking like. So these are the boxes. Okay, the couch is huge, but it's 4 pieces and then an ottoman. This is just like my little knickknacks right here, you know. This chair, I cannot wait. And then it's not that much stuff, you know. It wasn't too shabby. And then my dresser, of course, my mattress, and then this is the bed, and then these are my dressers, my side tables, I mean. And then I have a really big box in the bathroom. I'm also doing laundry. Like, it was the perfect time to wash my sheets. I was like, you know what? I made sure that was in the car too. I thought I was gonna get here way earlier than them, but like I said, those guys were fast. Like, they worked, and they moved. So I just went ahead and started washing my sheets. So that way when the bed gets put up, everything will be together and I can have the best sleep of my life. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, me and Papa are gonna hit the road. It's starting to rain, so you know, I just want to go and come back. We're trying to figure out what we're gonna eat. I low-key want like a rice bowl of some sort because I just feel like that's gonna be filling, but we may end up at Chick-fil-A, let's be honest, because it's gonna be quick. But yeah. Robbie's here, guys. The one, the only. We're about to do my couch. Let me just let him say hey to y'all. Because you know he thinks he's my manager. So yeah, I already got him to work. Listen, I got my boy with his toolbox and a ladder. Okay, we're doing stuff tonight. He already knows what's going on. Like the bedroom, everything's getting done. Robbie knew what time it was. Keith, did you eat?
No.
Okay, well let me know what you want to eat because we had.
Well, you do all that, but then I was like, oh, I'll eat.
Well, we'll get you something. We can go get something later. Just let me know when you're like ready to go. I got some Chipotle. I haven't eaten most of it, so you can have half of that if you want. But again, we can get whatever you want. Couch time. I'm still trying to set up the Wi-Fi. I'm struggling. There's so many Xfinity apps. Just which one do I need?
Just want to say, I'm glad to be here. I'm glad to be part of the team, you know, finally rocking out. Like, this is an honor. This is a privilege. I want to thank my Lord and Savior, the man above. Like, I can't believe I'm here right now. This is crazy.
We're restaging our moment, guys.
This is what people think Robin's life isn't real.
Girl, we don't have to be fake. Look, who is it? Who could it be? Oh, Melly. I know it's not Keith trying to come back and do the entrance too.
People said I want to be involved. What you see?
Y'all, my niece already done peed in the house.
While we took her into Kroger, the lady was like, she's so cute. I said, lady, fix me.
It is currently midnight. God, quiet. Try not to make too much noise. Just took a shower, took my wig off, okay, and I'm ready to go to bed. But I'm not like super tired. I'm just ready to like lay down in bed. So that's what I'm doing. I cleaned up outside. The girls left. They're back at Val's place. Chris and Keith have left. Jordan left. Jordan was here. I didn't get to show her the walk, but that's one of my best friends. She came by for a little bit. We got some pizza because Keith did not get to eat before he came, and he literally walked through the door and started helping. So we got some pizza. It was really good. I have leftovers. So as you guys saw earlier, I was putting up my pendant lights in my room, and I have Hue light bulbs in them. I have the Hue Phillips, I think this one has a special name, white and ambiance color, and it's like the color changing ones. Really excited about these. Anyways, so I finally connected them to the Hue app. For some reason, like they're compatible with Apple Home, but I can't get them to connect on Apple Home, so I just downloaded the actual app. Check this out. I'm controlling it from the app. I love them already. Literally, this alone makes it worth the money. Right? I can dim them. Oh my god, guys, be serious. Wow, look at that ambiance. But we're bringing it to 100%. That looks good. I think I'm gonna drop them down to 50, just because, you know, it's nighttime or whatever. So many different light options. We should try some. I'll try a few from each category because they have like holiday one, futuristic, lush, pure, sunrise, sundown, nighttime, stuff like that. So we'll try some from some of them.